In this video, I will show you exactly how to generate custom JSON data within your n8n workflows using some very simple techniques. Understanding how to work with JSON is a fundamental skill for any automation expert because it allows you to pass structured data between different apps and services with total precision. To get started, you first need to add an Edit Fields node directly onto your automation canvas. This particular node is incredibly versatile and serves as the primary tool for shaping your data structure. Once you have placed the node, click on it to open up the Settings panel. Now, look closely at the top right corner of that panel. You will see an option for the assignment mode. By default, this is usually set to a manual field-by-field mapping mode, but we want more control. You need to change this setting to the JSON option instead. After you make that switch, the interface will transform into a raw text editor. You will likely see some placeholder schema code already sitting in the box. Go ahead and clear out all of that text, but make sure you keep the outer curly brackets intact. These brackets are essential because they define the boundaries of your JSON object. Inside those brackets, you can now start writing your custom raw JSON key and value pairs directly into the text editor box. You can define names, numbers, or even nested arrays depending on what your specific project requires. The editor provides a clean space to type out your code without any distractions. Once you are finished defining your data structure, simply click on the Execute Node button. Almost instantly, you will be able to view your newly generated JSON output in the results panel on the right side of the screen.